What if I told you that simple mistakes you make every day could damage your eyesight within just 24 hours? It's shocking but true, and today, we're uncovering the 8 habits you must stop immediately to protect your vision. Habit 1. Excessive screen time without breaks. Do you often find yourself glued to your phone, tablet, or TV for hours on end? While these screens connect us to the world, they also put tremendous strain on our eyes. This is called digital eye strain, and it happens when you focus too long on screens without giving your eyes a chance to rest. The constant exposure to bright light and tiny text forces your eyes to work harder, which can lead to dryness, fatigue, and blurry vision. You may also experience headaches or a heavy feeling around your eyes. This strain, if ignored, can quickly escalate into more serious vision problems, especially as we age. The solution is simple. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. This relaxes your eye muscles and reduces fatigue. Remember, your eyes aren't built to stare at screens all day. Give them the care they deserve. Habit 2. Rubbing your eyes. Rubbing your eyes might feel soothing when they're itchy or tired, but it's one of the most damaging habits for your vision. When you rub your eyes, you risk causing micro scratches on the cornea, the transparent layer that protects your eye. These tiny scratches may not seem like a big deal, but they can make your eyes more vulnerable to infections and permanent damage. Here's something to consider. Your hands carry a surprising amount of dirt and bacteria. Even if they look clean, they're often covered in germs picked up from surfaces, phones, or even money. Rubbing transfers these germs directly to your eyes, increasing the risk of conditions like conjunctivitis or worse. Instead of rubbing, use a clean, damp cloth to gently soothe irritation. You can also try artificial tears or simply close your eyes for a moment of rest. Protect your eyes. They're far too precious to risk. Habit 3. Not wearing sunglasses outdoors. Stepping outside without sunglasses may feel harmless, but your eyes are silently taking the hit. Prolonged exposure to UV rays from the sun can cause serious damage over time. These rays don't just give you a sunburn, they penetrate deep into your eyes, increasing the risk of cataracts, a clouding of the lens, and macular degeneration, which affects the retina and leads to vision loss. Even on cloudy days, UV rays can sneak through and harm your eyes. Squinting against the brightness might feel like a quick fix, but it's no match for long-term protection. The discomfort you feel is your body's way of saying, "Shield me." The solution? Invest in a good pair of sunglasses with 100% UV protection. These aren't just a fashion statement, they're essential for your eye health. Wide-brimmed hats can also offer extra shade. Your vision is worth every bit of protection. Don't take it for granted. Habit 4. Sleeping in contact lenses. Falling asleep with your contact lenses in might seem harmless, especially if you're exhausted, but it's a habit that can seriously harm your eyes. Contact lenses act like a barrier, and when you wear them overnight, they block much-needed oxygen from reaching your corneas. This oxygen deprivation weakens your eyes, making them more vulnerable to irritation and infection. What's worse, bacteria can build up on the surface of the lens while you sleep. This creates a perfect breeding ground for infections like corneal ulcers, which can be painful and may even lead to permanent vision loss if not treated quickly. The good news? This is entirely preventable. Always make it a habit to remove your contact lenses before bed, no matter how tired you are. Clean and store them properly in a disinfecting solution. Your eyes work hard for you all day. Give them the rest they deserve. Habit 5. Skipping regular eye checkups. When was the last time you had your eyes checked? If it's been a while, you could be unknowingly putting your vision at risk. Skipping regular eye exams is a habit that many overlook, but it's crucial for catching silent eye conditions like glaucoma, cataracts, and retinal issues early on. These conditions often progress without noticeable symptoms until significant damage has already been done. For instance, glaucoma is known as the silent thief of sight because it gradually damages the optic nerve without early warning signs. Cataracts, which cloud the eye's natural lens, develop slowly but can severely blur your vision over time. And retinal issues, like macular degeneration, can impact central vision and make everyday tasks difficult. The best defense? Annual eye exams. These checkups allow your eye doctor to detect problems early and recommend treatments to protect your sight. Think of it as an investment in your future. Your vision is too valuable to leave to chance. Schedule that appointment today. Habit 6. Smoking. Smoking doesn't just harm your lungs or heart, it takes a heavy toll on your eyes as well. Tobacco smoke contains toxic chemicals that damage delicate tissues in the eyes. Smoking reduces blood flow to the optic nerve, leading to vision loss over time. It's also a significant contributor to macular degeneration, a condition that causes the loss of central vision, making reading or recognizing faces difficult. Moreover, smoking increases the risk of dry eyes, leaving your eyes feeling irritated and gritty. It also raises your chances of developing cataracts, clouding your vision as you age. The harmful effects don't stop there. Secondhand smoke can even harm the eyes of your loved ones. The solution is clear. Quitting smoking not only improves your overall health, but also helps preserve your vision. The sooner you stop, the better your chances of preventing further damage. Protect your sight and choose a smoke-free life. It's one of the best decisions you can make for yourself and your family. Habit 7. Overusing eye drops. Reaching for eye drops whenever your eyes feel irritated might seem harmless, but overusing them can do more harm than good. Many decongestant eye drops are designed to reduce redness by temporarily constricting blood vessels. While this may give you quick relief, overuse creates a rebound effect, making the redness return worse than before. Prolonged use of these drops can also irritate your eyes, drying them out and leaving you dependent on the product for relief. This habit can mask underlying issues like allergies, dry eye syndrome, or even an infection, delaying proper treatment. Instead, choose doctor-recommended lubricating eye drops, also known as artificial tears. These provide long-term hydration without harmful side effects. And if redness or irritation persists, it's a sign to consult an eye specialist. Remember, your eyes deserve care, not quick fixes. Use drops responsibly to keep your vision healthy and comfortable. Habit 8. Poor lighting while reading. Reading in dim lighting might feel cozy, but it puts unnecessary strain on your eyes. When the light is too low, your eyes have to work much harder to focus on the text. This can lead to eye fatigue, making your vision feel blurry or causing discomfort. Over time, this habit can contribute to headaches, especially if you spend long periods reading in poor light. Low lighting also reduces contrast, forcing your eyes to adjust more frequently as you try to follow the words. This constant strain doesn't directly damage your eyes, but it can create long-term discomfort and exacerbate existing issues like dry eyes or blurred vision. The solution is simple. Use bright, adjustable lighting that evenly illuminates the page. A lamp with a focused beam or natural daylight is ideal. Proper lighting makes reading not only easier, but also more enjoyable. Give your eyes the support they need to stay comfortable and healthy.